Just follow us this way. Spot number 1. Go straight back a little. Oopsie. Time to swap this 50 mil for a better guy. Next spot. Is it good?
I think so.
Okay, this wasn't the spot I was planning on, but this car looks sick underneath this bridge. Back it up in between these. Like, go through it. And then that one just a bit. So, here you go, sir.
Alright, thank you, sir.
I pissed myself. So we tried to get on that roof, but the gate's closed. This building looked pretty good, so we're gonna use this. This should be a good spot, having this yellow up against this all gray background. This is gonna be very nice. Spot number 6, I think. We in Tacoma now. Yup. This thing looks like it would go so far up my... Never mind. He has permission? Bet. Woohoo! My chest vibrated. Thumbnail time. Hey, do you mind, guy?
I'm trying to take pictures here.
Yep. Hey, just squat and like give me like one of them.
Like this? Or you want a bigger ass out?
Hey, no. We got left, right. You need to be center. Just drop that shit. Don't even look back. Oh, okay. Or look back.
Oh, God, I'm uncomfortable.
I don't have my ass look back. You don't. Good shit. There you go.
Let me see this.
You guys look dumb.
Oh, I don't like that.
Yeah, we're kind of just crouching.
Tell me who the fuck that was.
Damn.
Or what that was.
That thing was loud as hell. All right, back to business.
Anyways.
What are we doing? How do you guys want to do this then? So, I can't help you guys.
Yeah. Maybe we should just stand in front of the car.
Sure. I have it. Oh! He's over here now. Oh yeah, that'll really work, Tyler. Hey, you guys are hard.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello?
Come on. Rollers through the city, boys. Here we go. Bump it.
It's taking so many photos.
That one came out sick.
Is that Jay Leno?
Are you Jay Leno? He looks. All right, now right lane. I think it's straight.
I like it. It's not bad at all. I want to get one.
bottom one goes that way. And then we'll get the flyby shot. Right?
And then a drone shot of him going.
Oh, okay,
Put
okay.
them all together and look cool.
Drive play right over there. Yeah, just pull. As soon as you turn the corner and see us, pull. We're ready for you.
I'm coming.
Nice. Pull, pull. That's iffy, but I'll make it work. Okay. This looks nice. Ooh. Oh.
That's good. I like the gray. I like the...
Is it the same color?
Yes.
It's a good color. Shoot, we got a whole crew here now. Oh! Is that how you clean cars? Dangerous one. Too bad. Oh, thanks. Oh. Like, gonna close my door. You got a staring problem, sir?
Yes.
Nice. We'll see.
Isn't that out now?
Oh. Look at those mirrors up on the fender. Sick.
You don't get that?
Don't worry, I got you, buddy. I tried to stiffen my arm to hold your back.
That was so sick. That helped so much.
Nice. Holy. They saw us. Oh yeah, I got it.
Yo, chill out. Yo, chill out. Chill out.
just awkward enough.
Look how low that looks.
I know. Your bag now. I'll just wipe right off. He's on the ground.
You almost fell over.
Something like that. Can't feel my hand.
You're gonna have to redo it.
Dude, we can if you really want to.
There's no way they even see that.
It's not even that bad. Just cover it up. That's not what
Get a
we
Sharpie.
do. That's not what we do.
How many more hours do we got so I can tell my mom and dad? 3 more?
Not bad, dude. Not bad. I'm not worried about that.
Uh-oh. They just saw me with the camera on my head. Bye-bye.
Nice road match.
Time for drone shots.
I would hit it at more of an angle if I were you.
Nice. Go get him, boys.
Oh, there we go.
He does not care.
Right, so you let it back?
Yeah. Just keep going.
Very good.
Dang, it didn't even fly.
This is gonna look good.
Oh, gosh.
You missed. Okay, all right.
I was like, oh, it's just a pile of needles. But then I really looked at it and it's moving. The whole thing's just slightly moving.
Oh.
And you can see little leaves being carried up it. All right, I'm not crazy.
Oh yeah, there's tons.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god. Oh.
Let's see it.
It goes. And I'll smooth that all out, but still. This clip right here. Here.
That looks cool.
That looks really cool.
I'm gonna do it. Sorry.
Like, I'm gonna leave this up for some like squirrels.
Yeah.
They get, you know, tired and they're cold outside. They can come hang out in here.
A turtle might crawl in here and think it's a shell.
I'll leave the door open.
Yeah, good guy.
Alright, we're gonna get back to actual shoot shit. Just running that into the trunk. Goes to the trunk and right there. on it.